Hello, I'm here with a Minecraft tutorial for exploding tree trap. Um, this is a really cool tutorial. We're going to build a tree stump. So we need wood, any color, any kind. Just change this to red. Okay, make it 3 high. Then we're gonna go under and break that block. Now we're gonna get some whatever kind of block. I'm just gonna use stone to model. Too high, so it's 2 away from that. Then we're gonna get a lever. I've just been watching too much stamping videos. We're gonna take a lever and put it under the tree stump. It doesn't have to be facing that way. It just needs to be. Then when you place the redstone, turn this switch on or you're gonna blow yourself up. And redstone torch. I'm not holding any special key to turn this off. It's just the redstone reaction that happens. So we place redstone torches. And then it's time to get TNT. I'm gonna do 2 in the middle and 1 under that. So you can kind of see that one tilted. You do all that. Then you need to fill that in with TNT. Okay. After you're done that, you're going to take whatever terrain that you're in, you're going to take the block. Okay. You're going to fill that in. And don't fill in that middle block because the lever's there. Just going to fill it in like that. It just looks like a normal tree. Then we're going to get some leaves. And this is how you design a tree. You basically do a 3 by 3. Skip ahead. I just got the screen recorder a while ago, kind of like a bit ago. So like I don't know how to do like time lapse and all that kind of stuff. So if you saw what I was doing, you make a tree. Then you're gonna go 1, 2. Then on the 3rd block you break it. You go out 4. 4. Then you go another layer deep. And then after you do that, you're going to go to this side, 2 layers deep. And then 1, 2, 3. 2 deep. Okay. Then you get TNT and fill up the bottom. bottom. You can put as much TNT as you want. You can go like 3 layers deep. Well, you'd actually need to go 4 because you need to cover the TNT up. Fill that in. And fill that in. Then you're going to fill it up with grass. Fill it up with grass. Fill it up with grass. Eventually, so it just looks like a regular tree. Then, if you break that block, and you're like, whoa, TNT! And have a huge explosion. Bye!